Budget planning typically requires analyzing financial data, building executive presentations, and preparing leadership updates across separate tools. Cequence AI Gateway brings these tasks into one secure, MCP-powered workflow. Claude reviews the FY 2027 budget, then builds an executive presentation and drafts a leadership email, all in one workflow. The required MCP servers are already configured in Cequence AI Gateway, giving Claude secure access to SharePoint, Excel, Google Slides, and Outlook. Once connected, it can securely reach approved enterprise applications through governed MCP connections. From here, Claude opens the Budget Planning 2027 workbook in SharePoint and reviews the available budget data. With the data in view, it begins identifying where spending is concentrated and where adjustments may be needed. It analyzes the budget, spending, ROI, and investment priorities, then prepares a summary of the key recommendations. Rather than leaving that summary in a spreadsheet, Claude converts it into a format leadership can act on directly. Next, it uses Google Slides MCP to build a professional executive presentation based on the completed analysis. With the presentation complete, the final step is ensuring the right stakeholders receive it. Finally, Claude uses Outlook MCP to draft an executive email summarizing the recommendations for leadership review. From analysis to presentation to communication, the entire process runs within a single, connected workflow. Cequence AI Gateway securely connects enterprise applications through MCP, enabling governed AI workflows across the organization.